Hello everyone, so I'm currently at the old Minimo. We're converting back to a family home. We're currently at the end of week 4. I thought to give you a quick look around on what I keep calling a Catholic renovation. So let me turn this around for you now. So just so you can visualise, you walk in the front porchway there. That's the door. You take a right if you come in the front door. This can be classed as a dining room or a bedroom, whatever you may class. So this could be a 2/3 bedroom family home. This could be a bedroom here. You can see it's been painted. It just stinks of paint and gloss at the moment. Nice grey feature wall for the new tenants. It will be a family. We will be marketing this as a 2/3 bedroom house. Around about 550 to 575 in Stoke-on-Trent area. So feature walls you walk in as well. It just sort of breaks up all the white clinical colour, clinical feel. It's had new doors, new hinges, new handles. Into the living room. Same again, we're going to put this grey throughout the house. I had a vision, because this staircase here was an open staircase. I'm not sure if you can remember that. I will put a bit of a picture below what I found on Google, and I thought that might look quite nice. It also creates a bit of safety for any children walking down the stairs, because that was all open, very easily to fall down. I'll put a picture attached so you can see what my original vision was of that. So here's a new kitchen. There will be an end strip on there. That's enough gap, 600 gap for a fridge freezer. It's currently getting tiled. This will all be finished off the end of this week. There's a really good chance the carpet guy will be in before the week's out as well. He needs to screed all the floors and put carpets down, because as you can see on this floor here, it used to be tiled. It's not the best. The same in the entrance hallway. So yeah, so that's a new kitchen going in. That's a gap for a washer there. There can be a dryer on the right hand side. These pabs are getting box stained or painted. You can see it taking a loft hatch out, ready for the insulation in the loft. That loft is right above this bathroom. New door, new radiator, and a bathroom suite. It's currently getting the electric shower installed. Nice family bathroom. Yes, it's a little renovation. Refurbishment, sorry. Only small budget. It's just shy of £7,000. That's new kitchen, new bathroom, painted throughout. Obviously all new joinery, as in woodwork, some architraves. So standard terrace, walk upstairs to the right hand side, bedroom 1. So it's 2-bed terrace. As I said, we're going to be classing this as a 2/3 bedroom. It depends whether they want to use it downstairs as a bedroom or a dining room. Same again, it's all white, new doors, grey feature wall. The garden's a lot better now all the rubbish has been taken away. So going to bedroom 2, which is up the stairs on the left, so facing the front of the building. Light on. It's basically what we do, white throughout, grey feature wall.